Welcome to Amazing World Facts. Today, we're diving into one of the most enigmatic features on Mars, an immense scar-like structure stretching across the planet's surface. Is it a canyon? A volcanic rift? Or something entirely different? Scientists have been puzzled by this Martian mystery for decades, but recent discoveries are finally shedding light on what could be one of the most mind-blowing geological phenomena in our solar system. So buckle up, and let's explore the mystery behind Mars' Grand Canyon scar. A look at Mars' volcanic and geological past. Mars is often seen as a barren, lifeless planet, but billions of years ago, it was a world of extreme geological activity. When we think of volcanoes, we might imagine Hawaii or Italy's Mount Vesuvius, but Mars takes it to another level. The planet is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the entire solar system, towering at a mind-boggling height of 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers. This is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. However, it's not Olympus Mons that holds the key to Mars' mysterious scar. Instead, our focus today is on a place that has puzzled scientists for years. Meet the feature known as Valles Marineris. This canyon system is a truly colossal scar on Mars' surface, stretching nearly 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers, long, about 1/5 of Mars' entire circumference. For comparison, that's 10 times the length of the Grand Canyon and 4 times its depth. To put it simply, Valles Marineris is the largest canyon in our solar system and stands as one of Mars' most dramatic landscapes. How did Valles Marineris form? Theories of the Martian scar. At first, scientists believed that Valles Marineris formed similarly to Earth's Grand Canyon, carved by rivers and erosion. But as more data came in from orbiters and rovers, that theory didn't hold up. Unlike Earth, Mars doesn't have flowing rivers or lakes, so what could have caused this massive rift? Tectonic activity? Lava flows? A collapsed rift? Several ideas have surfaced over the years. Some researchers believe Valles Marineris could be a tectonic crack that formed billions of years ago. Others suggest volcanic activity might have played a role. The Tharsis volcanic region, home to Olympus Mons and other massive volcanoes, is located right next to Valles Marineris. Could there be a connection? Tharsis bulge, the smoking gun? The Tharsis region is like a giant bulge on Mars, created by an intense outpouring of volcanic material. Scientists estimate that the Tharsis bulge pushed up an area of the Martian crust almost as large as North America, distorting the planet's surface under its immense weight. As lava built up in the Tharsis region, it created enormous pressure on the Martian crust. This might have been enough to crack the surface, forming what we now see as Valles Marineris. Think of it like stretching a piece of dough. If you pull hard enough, it will tear. The colossal weight and pressure from the Tharsis volcanic region likely stretched and cracked the Martian crust over millions of years, causing Valles Marineris to form as the crust gave way. Volcanic rift theory, evidence of ancient eruptions? Now, let's dive into a fascinating theory, that Valles Marineris was once a volcanic rift. A rift is a place where the crust is pulled apart, often associated with volcanic activity. Evidence suggests that Mars may have experienced eruptions in this region that didn't just spew lava outward but might have collapsed and hollowed out the ground itself. Some scientists believe that ancient lava flows once moved through parts of Valles Marineris, leaving volcanic deposits that could explain its strange rock formations. However, unlike Earth, where tectonic plates shift and create volcanic rifts, Mars has no plate tectonics, so this would have been a very different kind of volcanic rifting. Water's role? The possibility of ancient rivers. We've ruled out flowing rivers as the primary cause of Valles Marineris, but that doesn't mean water wasn't involved. Evidence shows that liquid water existed on Mars billions of years ago. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter has found clay deposits within the canyon, which only form in the presence of water. This could mean that after the canyon formed, ancient rivers or lakes might have filled parts of Valles Marineris, shaping it over time. This water theory remains a subject of intense study, as scientists are eager to understand how water once existed on a planet that's now so dry and barren. If water flowed or pooled within Valles Marineris, it might have helped shape the canyon's unique formations, adding another layer of complexity to its history. What makes Valles Marineris unique? Analyzing its enormous size, the depth and scale of Valles Marineris are mind-boggling. Some sections of the canyon plunge more than 7 miles, 11 kilometers, deep. The Grand Canyon, in comparison, is just about 1 mile deep. Scientists think this extreme depth might be due to the unique crustal structure of Mars, which lacks the movement and recycling we see on Earth's crust. Over time, Landslides and other forms of erosion have helped sculpt the walls of the canyon, creating its distinct layers. Each layer tells a different story of Mars' geological history, preserving clues about the planet's volcanic, tectonic, and even climatic past. New discoveries: Mars' modern-day scar. Thanks to recent missions like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and ESA's Mars Express, we now have incredible images of Valles Marineris in stunning detail. These images reveal cracks and fissures across the canyon floor, offering new insights into its formation. Some sections of the canyon even show what looks like tectonic movement, adding more intrigue to its origins. Recent discoveries in Valles Marineris. One of the most exciting recent findings is evidence of ancient landslides that would have been hundreds of miles across. This scale of geological activity points to a violent past that has reshaped this Martian wonder over eons. Could life ever have existed in Valles Marineris? Finally, the question on everyone's mind: could life have once existed in Valles Marineris? Some scientists believe the canyon may have harbored microbial life in the distant past, particularly if water once flowed or pooled here. Certain minerals, like sulfates and clays, found in the canyon are associated with life on Earth, sparking hope that Mars' ancient waters might have supported some form of life. The future of exploring Mars' Great Scar. So, what's next? As technology advances, we might soon send rovers or even humans to explore the depths of Valles Marineris, uncovering secrets of Mars' past and maybe, just maybe, finding traces of ancient life. Each new discovery brings us closer to solving the mysteries of this planetary scar, a reminder of Mars' fiery, dynamic history and the wonders still waiting for us to discover. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through Mars' giant canyon, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic discoveries and incredible facts. See you in the next video, here on Amazing World Facts.